Are you finding it difficult to connect your TV to internet? Let me show you how to do that real quick. So there are two ways to do this. It's either you use cable or you use wireless connectivity. Let's start with using cable, then we will do how to use the wireless connectivity. The cable we are going to use is called LAN cable. It has these 2 points, but before you can use this cable to connect, you have to get a router. So if you are using Wi-Fi, it means you can only connect through wireless connectivity, or if you are using hotspot, you can only use the wireless connectivity. But if you are using router, you have another advantage of using the LAN cable to connect. So let me show you how you connect. So I'm gonna stick my LAN cable in my port at the back of the smart TV. Then at the back of the router, I will connect it to one of the LAN ports here. The moment you stick it in, this light will start blinking, meaning the two devices are communicating, the router and the smart TV. On the TV, it shows LAN cable is connected. Do you want to set it up? You just click on yes and you are good to go. The easiest way to do that is to click on select the yes and then click on it. The TV will be connected to the internet. Very simple and quick. Another way to connect it when you don't get that notification is to go to your settings, go to all settings, go to connections. You select connection, then you select network. So on the network, you select network settings. You see it's connected, but if it is not connected, if you didn't get the notification, you just select wired connectivity and the system will try to connect it on its own. That's how to connect your smart TV to your internet source using LAN cable. Now let me show you how to connect your smart TV to internet via wireless connectivity. All you have to do is to go to settings, go to all settings, navigate down to connections, select network. So you go to network settings. Network settings, you select wireless. So here you can scan for your network if you don't find your network here. You can scan if you don't find your network here. If you find your network, you can select your network and it will request for password. So you then enter the password of the router you are using or the Wi-Fi or hotspot that you are using. So after entering the password, you just select OK. Let me enter my password. Then you select done. It will check if everything is okay, then you get connected. This is how to connect your smart TV to internet via wireless connection. So here again, there is another tip that I want to take you through. When you select the wireless option here, you get the option to either scan or manage. So when you click on the manage, you have the option to delete your previous connected network that you don't want to show up here. You can just select any of them and then click on the delete and that network will be deleted. So this is how to connect your smart TV to internet using wireless connectivity and through LAN cable connectivity. Thank you for watching.